Good morning, my name is Chloe Lamb, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane just like this one. All you're going to need to do this is some markers of your choosing and some printer paper. Okay, so first you're going to start with a single sheet of printer paper. You can just pull this straight out of the printer, I guess, if you'd like. I think notebook paper works fine too, but sometimes that has a little bit of a jagged edge if you rip it straight out of a notebook. So I find this one much easier to use. So first, after you grab your printer paper, you can grab your markers in any colors you'd like. I chose orange, blue, and pink. And you can color your paper airplane. This step is optional, but I think it adds a fun touch to your paper airplane. So I'm going to color it. You can write whatever you want on it. Flip it over and draw some hearts. And then maybe add some stars. Once again, this step is optional, and you can skip this step if you would like, or you can draw whatever you would like to on this paper airplane. I think it just makes it a little bit more fun and a little bit more personal. Okay, so the first step in folding the actual paper airplane is you are going to fold it in half. So you're going to line up long edge to long edge and fold it in half. Make sure you line up your corners. When you're making a paper airplane, it's really important that you line up your edges. That way you have a perfectly symmetrical paper airplane. So once you have half a piece of paper, you're going to unfold it and bring the corner to the middle line on both sides. So once again, lining that top edge with that middle line, it's going to be important. And then you're also going to want to make sure that you have an even fold on the opposite side so that your paper airplane is symmetrical. So once you have those two folds, once you have those two folds, you're going to want to take this corner and bring this corner in to the middle line next. So it's going to look something like that. So now that corner is going to come to the middle line. It's going to overlap that first fold that you did. And now we're going to do it to the other side. Make sure they line up and are even. And along the way at any point, you can always say, oh, I think I want my name right here. And you can go ahead and draw anything else you would want on your paper airplane. So I added my name. Make sure everyone knows it's mine. Last step is you're going to want to take these top corners, or the top flat pieces that you've created, and you're going to want to fold them down to the bottom edge. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of bright. Fold it down to the bottom edge. So you're going to do that on both sides. Make sure you're lining up corner to corner, so that way your airplane is symmetrical and the folds are nice and straight and even. The better your folds are, the better your airplane will fly. So once you have that all folded down, you can lift up those two flaps and you have a paper airplane ready to fly. Thanks for watching.